Hey vintage fashion lovers, welcome back to the MamMaw Boutique. I'm Chantel and thank you so much for tuning in to part 3, the grand finale of our series, Flashback Fashion. In this series, I've been on a thrilling journey recreating a cute little 1980s dress and jacket. And guess what? This is my first time ever working with leather. I'm both nervous and excited because my customer is counting on me to nail it. Stick around until the end to see the unexpected challenges I've faced and of course the customer's priceless reaction at the final masterpiece. If you haven't already seen episodes 1 and 2, you're missing out on all the fun and drama. Click the link above to watch the playlist and catch up on the entire adventure. Let's dive in. Okay, so I have everything I need here to cut the jacket and the dress in leather. So I have my scissors, I have my thread, which is polyester, 100% polyester, and it's the thick thread. This is by Gutermann. I have my pen for drawing around the pattern, and because I can't use pins. And I have the leather glue for gluing the hem and potentially some of the seams. These are all my cut and sewn pieces for the lining. So I've actually sewn the lining already. And of course, the leather fabric that I'm going to be using as well for the leather dress and jacket. I really hope this is enough pieces actually to cut it out. I haven't actually checked yet. Oh, let me see. So I've used this invisible pen. Basically, when you draw with it, when you press it with an iron or anything or use any kind of heat, it actually disappears. So I've drawn all the way around this pattern piece here on leather because obviously you can't put pins in leather. So this is a perfect tool to use. So I can easily cut around that now. Yeah, it's a really good pen. And you can get them in different colors as well. Now, I can't actually get all of the pieces out. I can't, there's not enough to cut out. So I've had to do it on the opposite grain, and I'm hoping because it's leather, it's not gonna be a problem. And I've put this panel at the back. This is the back panel, so it will be at the back. So I'm hoping that will be okay as well. Yeah, not ideal. I wouldn't generally do this at all, actually. But because there's not enough fabric, there's not enough leather, and leather is very expensive, I'm not going to ask the customer to buy more. And I think it's going to be okay anyway, because it's leather, and leather doesn't really have a specific grain, although the stretch is a little bit different. It's not as stretchy, but because we're not going to be the body's not going to be using the stretch of the fabric because it's fully lined, so it'll be using the lining stretch. It should be okay. So that's what I'm banking on. She says, in theory, it should be okay. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, so I have everything cut in here. I like to keep everything in a bag. I've got my measurements, got the sketch, and then I've got all the cut pieces inside here. I've got the leather, the lining, all ready to be sewn. Pull it. dress so far.
Okay.
So I can't, I've just taped it here. Because this leather, I can't pin it or anything. So what I'm going to do is get you to try this on. I know there's no zip or anything, but what I'm going to do is just...
Yeah, because that's just what you want to see.
I'm going to clip it with these, because again, I can't put pins in them. You know what I wanted to ask you? When did you buy this?
I bought this. My daughter is 40. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Right, and I got it. She's 39, and I got her. She was 30. No, she's 4 years old. I bought that. So.
Oh, she was 4 years old when you bought this, and she's
now 39. So.
And when was it? Is
35
80s?
Yeah.
Wow.
35.
See, this is what, when you buy stylish garments, they last longer.
They do.
This was bought in the made. You had it made.
This is made.
Yes, made and designs in the 80s. And look, you can easily wear this now.
Oh yeah.
And in years to come. So that's what happens when you buy timeless pieces. I love it.
Of course.
So you can get behind here and have some privacy to change. I'll put this here. Initially, I was going to use toile muslin fabric for the first fitting, but I chose to use the leather instead, and I'm so glad I did. It was a big risk though, but it worked out. So you're here for your...
I'm picking up my my suit, my dress and leather jacket suit. So it's all made in leather.
Okay, here it is on the table. Did you want to try it on?
Yes, I do. Okay. Oh wow! Oh wow! Woo! This looks good. Woo!
And I've got your button.
Oh gosh, and
that you chose.
Oh, and it's nice. It looks exactly like how the right one.
Oh yes, the one that you had designed and made in the 80s.
Yes, exactly. You've done it exactly the same. Oh wow! And it actually feels thick. It does. You know where it was feeling soft? They actually made the linings made it feel thick as well.
Oh yeah, it gives it a bit more body.
Yeah, because remember when I felt it did feel a bit thin, but this actually feels. Oh wow! Oh my gosh! I can't wait to try this one.
Okay.
Woo, 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 woo. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Nice. How does it feel?
Oh, it feels nice. It looks nice.
Wonderful.
It feels like it's just my skin.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh wow.
It's just right.
Very nice.
Yes.
You got
Length is just right, and it fits me. This is like whoa. Yeah man. Ooh, it's lovely. It's lovely.
And let's see the jacket.
Yes. Oh, and it feels nice, you know. Nice and
soft. Yeah. That's the leather you chose. Very nice leather.
Oh, it feels lovely. Just like a dress. Oh, yes. It's not heavy, but yet this is leather. It doesn't feel heavy. Oh my gosh, how beautiful that looks. Look. No. Just brings that day before. Oh my gosh, and then with my heels. Oh, wow.
This was my first time making this in leather, so I'm so glad that you're happy with it.
Wow.
I'm looking forward to making the next one as well.
Yeah.
It's the first time making leather earrings, leather jacket, leather dress, leather headbands. And it's actually making me want to work with leather now. Yeah. So, are you happy?
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Of course. I mean, look, it fits me exactly.
So I'm glad you're happy.
Oh, of course I am.
Glad. Okay.